Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize TP-Link Kasa with Alexa, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your Amazon account. Tap on the devices icon located at the bottom right corner. In the devices menu, tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner. Select add device from the list of options that appear. Scroll down and select light since TP-Link Kasa devices typically fall under this category. Choose TP-Link Kasa from the list of brands. You will be prompted to sign in to your Kasa account. Enter your Kasa username and password, then tap sign in. Once signed in, grant Alexa permission to control your Kasa devices. After authorization, Alexa will automatically search for nearby Kasa devices. Wait for the search process to complete. Once it's done, you should see your Kasa devices listed. Select the devices you wish to add to Alexa. Tap on Add Device to finalize the process. Your TP-Link Kasa devices are now authorized with Alexa. You can start using voice commands to control them. To test, try saying Alexa, turn on, device name, ... If everything is set up correctly, Alexa will respond to your command. Enjoy seamless control of your TP-Link Kasa devices with Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.